Brand new water pump. Brand new belts. I've got to do away with that because that little blue oval right there is the only thing that matters to me. Chevrolet fan going on a Ford truck. Don't give me no flack about it. That's all I had. Ford fan was fucked. Let me show you the bent bracket on the bumper. If you can see it. Right there. It's bent. You see the top one? You see the bottom one. The bottom one is bent very badly. It's going to take a lot of pounding on and a lot of readjusting and all that good stuff. Ah! There's my radiator. Bullshit. Bullshit! Guess what? I was wrong about that. Just that rubber line being busted on the transmission. Turns out it was both the rubber line and the steel line that was busted. That's why it was slipping coming up the hill, because it was still dumping all my fluid out. That sucked when I found that shit out. Well, I'd show you an update on the 454, but it's over there under a pile of bed liner and blankets and exhaust and boxes and you name it. But anyway, if you can see it right there, I doubt you can, the water pump. Of course, I know you can see the intake. So, I mean, what's new? It ain't getting put back together. It's sticking even farther apart. Can't afford it. Junk man without a truck's like a piece of shit. Just plain and simple. Electric fan. Whee! 12-volt TV. Half-inch air hose. Or 1-inch air hose. Or what the hell ever. You gotta forgive me. I go crazy sometimes. Hey, there's my license plate that was in the white truck. My 85 F250. Look it up. Damn. Uh-oh. Folks, we got a vintage plate here. Forgot about all about this old baby. Georgia 2D11393 19. Peach State 69. Georgia plates from 1969. The holes were double stamped. This is just random shit around the shop, by the way. A Fred McGriff, Atlanta Braves, baseball. You can't read that, can you? Oh, you can read it now. Sure. If you want to read it, you can pause it and read it. If you can make that out, I don't know. I don't give a damn. To be honest with you. Oh, spare distributor caps. Need silicone. Oh, spare parts. All the fuel injection parts for old Hoss are over here in this cabinet, along with my CB radio and stereos and shit that just generally ain't worth a damn. There's the Ford fan, if you can barely make that out. A giant dog leash. Giant dog leash, not rope. Can't you tell I missed you? I missed it to YouTube. I think I'll have a drink for YouTube. Just have a little drinky for the YouTube doobie. Oh, I hope you can see this. Oh shit. There we go. Oh, down. You can see me. Have a drink with me. Have a drink with me. Cheap whiskey. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. See you later, tube.